What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And yes, finally, today, makakagawa na tayo ng another reaction video. And ang tagal kong nawala because I need to finish some projects. And yes, sobrang saya ko today and dahil makakagawa na tayo another video. Yeah, so someone sent it a message na gumawa daw ako ng reaction video sa performance ni Jong. And if you don't know Jong guys, he is part of the previous season ng The Clash. And meron din siyang Facebook account and other social media. He's doing serenading people sa online world. And sobrang I love this guys. Parang kay Ian din. So sobrang ganda ng boses na itong taong to. And this artist has very rich emotions when it comes sa pagkanta. So sobrang excited na ako panoorin yung naging performance niya sa pagbabalik niya sa The Clash. And I don't know kung bakit siya bumalik, pero I'm so happy kasi mapapanood natin ulit yung kanyang performance. So yeah, huwag na natin patagalin to guys. Let's watch his performance now. Here we go. Ito na.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow.
You know what guys, ang daming nagbago kay Jong. Physically, yung hairstyle niya, and of course yung style niya, I very love it. Meron na siyang naka-braiding yata tawag dyan. And mahaba na yung buhok niya ngayon
You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life.
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, na yung boses niya talaga sobrang emotions ng yung mararamdaman mo yung emosyon sa kanta, no? And of course guys, this guy is very talented. Masasabi kong very talented talaga to si Jong. Very shaky yung boses niya ngayon, I don't know, pero hindi ganyan yung atake niya pag kumakanta. Siguro this is new.
And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand when everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Oh! Si Miss Lani Misalucha din yun nandyan, no, as a judge. Kaya iniisip ko, ba't hindi kaya nag-try to si Jong sa tawag ng tanghalan? And guys, very emotional yung kanta na to ng Iris, no? The Iris, I think that's the title of the song.
I just want you to know who I am.
Ang iksi lang nun ha, pero Chong, grabe. Parang gusto kong ulitin ulit yung part na medyo mataas na and binuhos niya na doon, no, yung emotions niya. Panoorin natin ulit yung part na yan. Let's see.
To be broken. just want you to know who I am.
Nice! Very nice talaga. So guys, no, sobrang nakaka-excite kasi parang yung first performance niya, he's telling to all the people na nanonood, I just want to tell who I am. Nagpapakilala si Jong again. And yeah, sobrang excited ako sa mga mangyayari. So subaybayan natin to. And guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin sa panonood ng performance ni Jong, no? So today, I think that's it. And yeah, there's a lot of incoming videos na gagawan ko ng reaction, and iisa-isahin ko na yung mga request ninyo. Nabasa ko yan and I have the list. Thank you so much. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button and the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating videos, no? Sobrang excited na ako sa mga following days na magkakasama tayo ulit. Thank you so much, and mahal ko kayo. Thank you. I love you guys. See ya.